Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. So I recently went to Dollar Tree and I stocked up on a lot of name brand items that I got from the Dollar Tree. These are all beauty products, so I decided to film a makeup tutorial using all the products that I got from the dollar store. So this will be like a silent slave. So yeah, let's jump right into it.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running, keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Hey y'all, so I am back. I just popped on a wig real quick. I'm going to be adding some crimps to this for my work week, but yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys the final looks on the makeup. It looks really good on camera. I'm very impressed. Everything was $1. They're all name brand items. I have no cons. I will definitely use this makeup look in the future. You can't even tell the difference. But I am still going to stick to my Sephora brand. But I really do like this as a concealer. I might have to go back to Dollar Tree and get me a couple of these because this worked it really well as a highlight. I really like this as a highlight. This works real good as a highlight, so I'm glad about that. But overall, the foundation was bomb. My actual shade is mocha. So, like, what's the odds of finding your foundation for $1? I bought 2 to be conservative. You know, I don't want to be that type of customer who goes to the store and buy the whole rack. That's not nice. So yeah, overall, I really enjoyed doing this video. It was a lot of great items in this video. I highly recommend all the items that were in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in my next video.
You make me